Welcome Junior Tuckies, welcome to the theory video on the eye. In this video we will be doing accommodation. Right, accommodation is the ability of the lens to change shape in near and distant vision. Now, what you're going to learn is what changes occur in the eye for accommodation to occur so that the clear image falls on the retina. Now, it is very important that you know this very well because this comes out a lot in your exam. Now, if you look at your diagram, in red I have now circled the ciliary muscles. Here for distant vision, the ciliary muscle relaxes. And this will actually cause the suspensory ligaments to become taut, more tightened. So when this muscle, this is a different muscle, when this muscle relaxes, the muscle pulls backwards and moves backwards, and that will cause the suspensory ligaments to get tighter, and as it's getting tighter on either side, it causes the lens to become thinner. So the ciliary muscle relaxes, moves backwards, the suspensory ligaments become taut or tighter, and the lens becomes less convex. That's the only word you can use. You cannot use the word flatter or thinner. If the lens is less convex, then we know tension. If this ligament is pulling, then there is obviously tension. There is like fibers or wires pulling this lens. And so the tension on the lens will increase. And because the lens is less convex, we know less convex, rays of light are refracted less. And this will then obviously, all of this will cause a clear image to fall on the retina. Other information that you should know is the sclera will always also move backwards to its original position. Now, that is the distant vision. Now, for near vision, once you learn distant vision, near vision is the exact opposite of distant vision. Here you will see the sclera moves forward. As it moves forward, the ciliary muscle contracts and the suspensory ligaments slacken. It gets loosened. And if it gets loosened, then the lens becomes more convex. And by the lens becoming more convex, the tension on the lens will decrease and the rays of light are bent more. So remember, more convex, rays of light bent more. So it's easy to remember. Less convex, rays of light bend, refracted less. More convex, rays of light refracted more. And this is the changes that occur to allow for near vision to take place. Please make sure that you know this. Make sure you know the labels. Make sure you know what happens to each structure. This comes out all the time. And this is the ability of the lens to change shape in near and distant vision to allow you to see images clearly. Distant vision is when you see an object further than 6 meters. Near vision is when you see an image nearer than 6 meters. Thank you for joining me for this theory video. Join me for my other theory videos as well.